Hey guys, it's Aiden back with another video. Today we got two jobs lined up for today. First we got a pressure washing job, and second we got a mulching, trimming, edging job. We're at the first job right now. Wait, this is gonna be the second job. I gotta just drop the mulch off first. We got the tarp laid out. Alright, so we're at the first job of the day. We're doing pressure washing. We have this side, front side, and the left side of the house. Getting the pressure washer ready right now. This side, we're just gonna rinse all of it off. Put chlorine on it, put some bleach, let it sit a little bit, kill all the algae. All right, first job's finished. We got the power washing done. We're at the gas station, getting some gas at Costco. We'll do like a full walk around of the job.
What do you mean?
Like just real quick, we'll do like a walk around, like show you everything, of like what we do. Yeah. Wait, Kevin, you can start on the trimming. So like the trimming, just start with this one. They want like, just like a little bit off, like around the front, and then like a little bit off the top.
Okay. It's gonna be
Edging here. Trimming those three. We already did the weeds here, mulching it.
There's no weeds here?
Oh, he already did it.
Okay.
And then we'll take this one out. And then over here, we got all the bushes here to trim. Austin's gonna do that. A little bit of cleanup here, trimming of that. All that part here, we trim it. And then after we do the weeds here, edging around here, I'll dig the edge and then you guys will like take it out. So I'll just make the cuts for the video. Over there we got edging only up to there, like right about here.
Yeah.
Just like mulch here, but like for like the rake, you could just rake out like the sticks and stuff and put it in the trailer. Over here, no edge, just like rake the sticks out. And then for this one, we'll cut it back about right here. Cut it back from there. We'll use the head trimmer for that. Yeah. And then the top, we'll use like the extended thing to cut off like a little bit from the top. And then just mulch here. And then over here, we have trimming all these. We'll dig like a little edge right there. Anna's gonna weed all that. Weeding all this part here, trimming those. Austin's gonna do that real quick. Mulching that too. And then we'll start the edge here.
What about the playground?
Playground, nothing. They wanted us to like sod this, but they said in the spring.
Okay.
So right here we'll edge. Careful for this thing. Wait, there might be a wire. No. Okay, so just edge all that. Bush trim. Edge from here. Trim, mulch. This area, like pick all the weeds and stuff, like blow the leaves out. 2 bushes here to trim, just mulch it. Alright. That's too much.
Wait, today is your fall break? Do you have a fall break?
No, I don't have fall break yet.
When's your fall break?
I don't know when. Maybe it's just Thanksgiving.
That's stupid. Well,
No, that's a pull choke. 5 of these. That. Push, choke. Pull starter.
Yeah, that camera still up our car.
No. Actually, no, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah, move it up. watch out for that light thing. Watch out for that light on the ground. Stop. Hey, leave that off. I don't want you to get hurt. Hey, watch this. Okay. Oh yeah. Watch out.
Yo, we should buy Camrys because you should buy a car off Facebook Marketplace like 200 and literally just throw it off a cliff. With us in it, just put a brick on it.
Come on, Noah, hustle. Get a lot.
That's fun. And then post it on like our Snap story and be like, just crash.
Just crash.
Light work.
Average
Just
side
crash.
quest. Average side quest.
Best friend dead. Found in the passenger seat. Aiden's back broken again.
No, my doctor said I could lift weights.
You can lift weights again. Go easy, bro.
But he said light.
Go easy, man.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, I got you. Okay. Yeah. Good. What do you guys want? Okay.
I think there is no kids in this neighborhood, right?
Yeah. No, they all play video games. They're all in their house. Just everyone just tell them what you want. Austin said he wants a SpongeBob. So.
I'm just getting a snow cone.
No phone one?
Okay, so snow cone.
The original ball pop.
Okay.
Yeah, done.
All right, thank you.
One.
Okay. SpongeBob.
Bro, look at this. Yeah, Aiden,
We're straight
you think you
ice.
can touch the blue?
What?
You think you can touch the blue?
Maybe. Here.
Aiden, how much was it?
Like 27. No, like every time people drive by, like they have hard stares because like we're like in like company gear and we're all like they look like we're in high school.
So you just can't talk to them? Or text them? Or how long is that? Oh, yes, it's not. So you can't believe it. So you can't believe it.
Seen house squatters? You know what that is?
Like homeless people.
Yeah, like they rent out your house and they just don't pay, and then the city doesn't let them like get evicted. Like this.
Oh, because like they can't cut off the water and stuff. And
yeah,
that.
something like that.
Or they try to cut it off and then like after they cut it off, they just like try to sue them.
Yeah, that's so stupid, right?
Yeah.
Like, if you don't pay, get out the house.
Wait, how do you get them out? You just beat them up?
You can't. They just don't let you.
Wait, also Kevin over here. Wait, scoop like this part. Scoop like the loose dirt.
Yeah.
And then put it in there. Or no, you do it. Scoop the loose dirt. Got all this cleaned up. It's Kevin spreading.
I don't think so, but I don't even think he has any more.
Does he have the other wheelbarrow to fill up?
Yeah.
Okay. Day 2. Finishing up the mulching. Yesterday we finished up the edging and the trimming. So I had to come back this afternoon. Got all that done here. Still got a little cleanup right there, a little blowing. Got all this stuff trimmed here. Over here, the client didn't want us to edge, and I also didn't recommend it because the soil is like pretty coarse. So we just laid it here. Over here, dug a little edge right there. Still gotta blow this up, but we got the mulch and trimming done over here. Over here too, just a little bit of blowing on the ground. Right here we dug an edge, laid some mulch down here. And up to there too. Got a little blowing right here to do, but we got all the mulch down, bush just trimmed. And guys, that's the end of the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment what we should do better in the next video.